Yes, Trisha. No, I haven't left the house yet. I'm actually waiting for somebody. All right, so you know that I've been making a lot of money lately, and I just said that I want to give back to my community. So I heard about Miss what's her name again? Miss Dar. I heard about her in the community, and she have children, and I heard about the biggest one. I heard that she can draw a lot, but they don't have the money. Even their living condition is not as good. So I just think I should give back by, giving them things, even the daughter. So I'm waiting on the daughter to come. I'm going to try to see if I could get her into college to further her studies as an artist. Yeah, so she could at least uplift her family. I just want to give back. So I'm actually waiting on her. So I'll definitely call you when she's here. And when she left, we'll definitely meet because I'm not dressed as yet. I don't do anything as yet. So I'll let you know. All right. Oh, I just hope she soon come. Oh, that must be her. Coming. Hi. Come and sit right here. Thank you, thank you. Me didn't wonder how me could have helped you because me hear see you call me. So you must be Trisha. Yes, me named Trisha. I heard about your drawings. And a friend of mine showed me one of it, and trust me, it is really nice. Thanks. You know, say, me drawing inspiring of people. And a whole heap of people said them would like to get a painting from me. So me just wait for the whole heap of artists them was supposed to come in. I saw drawings like that when I went to Paris. Paris. So you go Paris too? Me go Paris is one of my favorite places. You see all the big cranes, something what them have up there? Yeah, me love to go on it. And next time I go up there, I go draw it. And me I go sell it right up there and right up there. My plan to go sell all of my arts them. So yes, me love Paris just like you. Oh, okay. I didn't know that you're large like that. Well, as I was saying, it is a good work for you to do. It's something you can build your career on. Mrs., if me career build more, me don't know what me woulda do. Me a top gal a road. Me art sell like hot bread, you know. When I went on my tour and I was going through Scotland, through the airport, I saw a big painting. Scotland? So you go Scotland too? One of my favorite places. Me go Scotland. So right in at the airport, me and the airport manager did a talk the last time I go up there, you know. Cause him say right at the front, him want me painting. So him a gonna make a contract with me. So Scotland are my place. I'm a place, yeah. Okay. As I was saying, and so the beauty of the art. I saw the one that you drew with the girl with the long hair. I was on my way to Brazil so that I could get some Brazilian hair. And then by the time oh, my favorite country, Brazil. Even up there, me get this area, you know, me have on. Yes, me get it over there. Brazil, I'm my favorite place. Me love over there, you see? Oh, then I must have made a mistake because I called you here today because I thought that you weren't, you didn't have enough money to further your studies, to do the arts, to go professional. So I was going to send you to college and help your family, but based on what I'm seeing, you're maybe even better than I am. So thank you for coming. And I'll see you around, all right? Take care. No problem, no problem. May we see you around, all right? Yes. Lord, what me just do? Good, good.